Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to generate the OTP in Java. Then see, OTP it means one-time password. Whenever you are doing any transactions, then always like we are using the OTP, right? Then definitely this OTP generated in Java itself. Then I will teach you here two approaches. First one is we'll go ahead with the SecureRandom and the second one is Math.random. Then say I'm creating here new Java class. The Java class name I'm giving here OTP Generator. See, class is created successfully. In that I'm creating the main method, and if you're aware of that, I'm using here Java 25 version. Okay, see, if I'm going to run it, definitely like application goes to run without any issues here, right? We haven't added anything actually. And one more thing I want to introduce here, in Java 25 onwards we are using io.println, and if I'm adding here like any, you can simply say like want to print something, right? Then you can simply use in double quotes, it will print the output here, see one screen. Okay, then in this session I will use the io.println itself. Then I want to introduce like this one feature as well here. Okay, then now in Java 25, if you want to check in my local, I will show you the version as well. If you come back to here edit configuration, right, then here you are able to see JDK 25 available. Perfect, see Java 25. Then here I am using Java 25. That's why main method you don't require the public static void main string args directly. You can simply use static void main directly. Okay, great. Then we'll focus on our OTP concepts. Then see, first I will do the guidelines for secure. You can simply say random here. Then I'm just going to use SecureRandom is a Java class coming from Java security. Then this is the reference like object we have created. See, we just created the object here for SecureRandom class. Then now I am just adding here int, you can simply say OTP equal to, we are giving here SecureRandom dot next int because I want to generate the int type of OTP, it means numeric value. And here we are adding the logic. You can simply say I want to generate the 4-digit OTP, that's why I'm giving here 9000, and then you can simply say we are just going to use plus 1000. And now I'm using io.println here. See, io.println and printing here OTP. Now, if you are trying to use run a Java application here, then definitely it will generate the 4-digit OTP. So the OTP is 3783. Again, I'm trying run a Java application. The next OTP available there. OTP it means you can simply say one-time password, right? And this is not duplicate. Again, I'm trying run. See, it will print the OTP. If you want 6-digit OTP, simply add the 90,000 here. You can simply say, yeah. Again we are trying, right? This is 9 lakh plus, you can simply say 1 lakh we are adding. Again try to run a Java application, it will generate the 6-digit OTP. See one screen. Again I am trying, it will go ahead and generate the 6-digit OTP here. And always this OTP is, it will be unique. See one screen. Then if you want to generate the like thousands of OTPs here, then how to generate it? Again it's very easy. In this much, like you can simply say code snippets. I will add inside for loop. For integer I equal to, you can simply say 1, I is not equal to, I'm giving directly 1 lakh and I plus plus. And this code snippets I'm adding here. If you want to use system.out.println, you have freedom to use it. Okay, now here IO, it means you can simply say this is the class coming from .lang package. And if you are going to check it internally, right, see, since Java 25 available here, then this IO, you can simply say this is the class coming from, you can simply say .lang package. This is the internal implementation there, right? And we are using println to print the output. Now what we are expecting, this is the logic I have implemented here. I start with 1 and it goes I is not equal to 1 lakh, then I plus plus. It means number of times this will be goes to iterate and it will print the 1 lakh OTP. See one screen, and the OTP always unique. See, it's taking some time if you are going to check it, right? Yes, see the number of like 1 lakh plus 1 lakh OTP we have created here. See one screen, and the OTP always unique. If you want to generate the 4-digit OTP, you can change your logic here. Just give the 9000 plus, here you can simply say 1000. IntelliJ is very intelligent. You not want to use save as well. Just run your application. It will print the OTP here. See one screen. Those all are the 4-digit OTP. Then here I want to explain SecureRandom. This is the Java class coming from java.security package. And if you are working with the banking application, then if you want to generate the OTP, you can simply use the SecureRandom class itself. And itself we are using the method next int because we require the integer type of OTP, right? That's why we are using here. In such a way, we are able to generate the, like, you can simply say thousands, million, billions OTP here, right? Yes. And the next approach we have available, Math.random. I will comment out this much code and I will demonstrate the next. Okay. For that perspective, we are just going to use the class Math.random. Then see, here I am giving OTP equal to, you can simply say, Math.random function available itself, right? Yes. Then we are just giving here into 9,000 plus 1,000 we are giving here, ending with semicolon. Now it gives us the compile time problem. Why? Because random is a function itself, like double return type available there, right? Then we need here int type. It means we need to use typecasting concept. For that perspective, in core Java we learn the typecasting concept, how to convert double to int. We need to use typecast to int. Now mouse over there and cast expression to int, because required type is int and provided is double. Then just use cast expression to int. Why? Because OTP always in numeric format, right? That's why I'm just going to click on cast expression to int. Then see, here we have cast into int. Now before printing, right? If you want to use sout, you can simply say this OTP and try to use run as Java application. So it will go to print the OTP as well. 6807. Again run 6180, right? Then best way for interview perspective, you can simply say for your interview, I'm handy with the Java 25 as well. Simply use io.println and here I am passing this OTP. Now if you are trying, again try to run as, then definitely it will generate the OTP here. This OTP I want to show you. See, this is 2690 OTP here, right? Again, if I am trying, the unique OTP available there 1443. Again, I am trying here run as Java application. The OTP always unique. If you want to create million billions OTP, then you can simply come back to here, and this much logic you can simply add within for loop. Then see on screen, I am creating the for loop. For loop of while, do while, whatever you want, you can simply use those loops. Then integer I equal to 1, I less or equal to, I am giving here, yes, I plus plus. This time I given 10 lakh. It will take lot of time actually. Simply try to run. Then definitely we are expecting the output. See, it's take at least minutes to generate those number of OTPs here, right? Because those, you can simply say, like, number of OTP we have created here. See one screen. Perfect? Yes. Then as per your business requirement, you can simply use the logic. It will go to work for us as well, right? And do control A, control A, alt control L. Like control A, alt control L, it will format the code base as well. This will be good impression in front of interviewer, okay? Now see one screen, again I'm trying to run it. It giving the output here, right? Yeah. If you are going to check it manually, it will take a lot of time actually, because this site you need to, like, scroll up. Yes. Perfect. Then such a way, like by using Math.random also we are able to generate the OTP, but you know math is a Java class coming from .lang package. Random is a function itself in math class. The return type itself double. Then you require the in type of OTP. That's why we need to use typecast here. And typecasting concept already we learned. Typecasting, it means convert one type into another type. Here we have cast like double into our int type, and at the end we are able to see the output here, right? Then which one is best? SecureRandom and Math.random. Then always I will say SecureRandom is the best option for us. Why? Because SecureRandom, you can simply say this is the security like they are providing internally. Why? Because itself coming from security package, right? Then for banking application, always will prefer to SecureRandom. Even OTP generation as well will prefer to SecureRandom. But if you are using gaming applications, like any smaller sample applications, right, billing softwares, then you can simply use the Math.random as well. But I will recommend you can simply go to the SecureRandom because it provides more security. In such a way, we learn here lots of things in our Java application. Then best approach I will recommend here, you can simply go to the SecureRandom class, and this way we done with our hands-on for OTP generator in Java, and this is very fast, secure and simple by using SecureRandom and Math.random. Then stay tuned with the Full Stack Java Developer YouTube channel. Please do like, share, subscribe channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.